Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a PR package here from Born Pretty. They sent me a list and they asked me to pick 5 items. So yes, I'm going to show you the 5 items. They come in this kind of envelope. I have it turned the other way because my address is on the other side. So the first product we're going to take a look at is the Painting Nail Gel. It's the Pro. It's PN07 and it's an absolutely beautiful blue. Really, really pretty. The only thing I don't like are these foil protectors if they don't have like the pull tab. So yeah, you got to cut them and then you get your scissors messy. Yeah, I don't know. For me, I don't know. It's kind of a pain. And then I use tweezers to open it, and so everything's getting paint on it. That's the only thing, is I wish it just had the one that you peel off, you know, but I guess this protects, you know, from spilling. So next we have the non-stick hand gel, and this is NSG09. It's a beautiful pink. This one also has that foil. I had to go in and cut it with the scissors. So yeah, it's not sticky at all. It's beautiful. The pink is just, it's a beautiful pink color. And then I did pick out 3 more products. The first one here is the liner paint gel. This is LP11 and it's a beautiful chrome. Look at that, it's like a mirror chrome, and it comes in a nail polish bottle. It looks like it's, oh, and the brush is really thin. It's very, very pretty. And so I wanted to try the Super Base Gel. It's very, very thick, like very, very thick. When I opened it, I was like, oh my goodness, what kind of base gel? I've never used something that thick, but there's other uses for it too. So I'll show that here in a little bit. And then the last product is a thermal gel, and this is 5698918. And it's a very cute orangey yellow. I saw this on Amber Dips a Lot channel. She showed this polish and I thought, oh my gosh, perfect for Easter. And I do have another one also with the speckles. So yeah, I can't wait to use them for some Easter nails. So first I wanted to take a look exactly what the Super Base is. It says ultra sticky. It lasts up to 48+ days. And you can also apply it, use it to apply your nail tips. So I thought that was pretty cool. But I saw Mama Does Nails, she actually used it for stamping because it's so sticky. So yeah, I'm excited to try that. I'm just showing you my other polish I have, the other thermal one. It's like a bluish color, but it does turn like a pinkish purple. So yeah, really cute. So I'm going to show here because I'm going to swatch it, but I want to swatch it with the Super Base. And as you'll see, it is very, very thick. And when I was putting it on, I was kind of scared because it's really thick, and you can see it was like streaking and stuff. But oh my gosh, it self-levels so quickly. And I'll show you up close how smooth. Yeah, I was really afraid. I was like, oh my god, this is thick and streaky, and oh my god. But I mean, I didn't even turn it upside down. And look at it, it's so smooth. So yeah, I was very excited about that. So we're gonna go in and swatch the thermal gel here. Really cute color. I just take a little bit of the black speckles from the brush and just kind of place them where I want them to go. And I did do 2 coats. I'm just going to show 1 coat, and then I did cure for 60 seconds. But yeah, it's a cute, definitely spring Easter color, so super cute. So it is a thermal, so I'm going to show the normal color is the yellow, and when you put it in cold, it turns this really pretty pink. And then in the hot water, it turns white. So yeah, 3 different colors I'm going to show here. You'll get to see the 3 colors. Look at that, how cool. Oh, I can't wait to do Easter nails. So this is a color here that I got with my $20 voucher they sent me for Christmas. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. It's the Reflective Glass 57332-3. And I'm just showing I did it on a clear swatch stick, and then I did it on the black. But I wanted to try it with the paint gel, because you can also use it not just for, you know, drawing. You can also use it as a base color. So I'm just using a gel brush here, and I'm just painting that on, and I had to see what that cat eye looked like with the blue. But this went on so nice, really nice and smooth, and it's a beautiful blue. So yes, that's the cat eye that I got there, and oh, this is just so cute. It reminded me of like peacock or even like mermaid. And then look at that with the magnet. Oh, it's just so pretty. It made that blue stand out so much. Oh my gosh, look at that, like a half a heart. Looks so cute. So I did go in and put the super top coat on the swatches here, but I'm just showing compared to the black swatch and then with that blue background how much the blue pops in that polish, because it does have a bluish background, but that blue made it pop. Oh, so pretty. So now I'm going to show the non-stick gel here, and I am wearing gloves, and it did not stick to the gloves. I know some of this non-stick stuff, it even sticks to the gloves even though it says non-stick. So it was not sticking. I didn't have to use alcohol. I didn't have to use anything. I mean, I just pressed it on to the tip. I did put the super base coat on the tip, and it didn't even take me that long. I do have it sped up a little bit, but I mean, it was so quick and it wasn't lumpy. Like, it was just really nice to work with. And the color is super pretty. And I did cure that for 60 seconds. So I'm just showing here I did cure it for 60 seconds, and that was just enough time. I wanted to see how it files. So I just took some alcohol and wiped it off to make sure there was no sticky, you know, I didn't want to mess up my files with the sticky, you know, layer. So yeah, I'm just taking a file here, and I'm just gonna, because there was a couple little nicks in it, little bumps, you know, little ones. So yeah, but yeah, it filed really nice. And then I did go in and just buff it. But yeah, it was very nice to file, very easy to file. You don't have to overdo it. Just, yeah, really nice product. So yeah, look at that, how pretty. So here I'm gonna show, when you use this liner, I do have the super top coat on there and it was making it bleed. You can see here, I don't know, I just didn't like the way it was going on. And you can see after a little bit, you'll see it start to like bleed out a little bit. So I was wondering like, why is it doing that? You know, so then I looked on the website and it said not to apply a top coat. It just said to go in right after you cure your polish, you know, your background color. Because it has a sticky layer, just to go in and draw on the nail. So that's what I did. This is their black polish and I cured it. I did 2 coats and I cured it, but I didn't wipe off the sticky layer and I didn't add top coat, and it was fine. It went on nice and smooth and it wasn't bleeding. So yeah, just make sure, I guess certain top coats will make it bleed. I also did it over a matte nail. I didn't show it. I mean, I showed at the end, but I didn't show me actually doing it on the matte nail, but it worked fine. So yeah, that's a silver, very beautiful. And I'm gonna try the blue here. I like the way the blue went on. Nice and thick. When I do line work and, you know, nail art, I usually use a gel polish. I don't really have many like paint pots, you know, thicker ones. So yeah, I'm excited to use this more because yeah, I mean, the gel polishes, you know, they work fine, but this one's, they're thick and they don't really move a lot. So yeah, this was very nice to work with and a very beautiful color. And I just went in and I cured for 60 seconds and then I did apply a top coat over it. Very pretty. So yes, these are the products here. Very happy with everything. Like I said, I did do, you can see I did do a matte there, and yeah, no bleeding or anything. So yeah, just be careful with your top coats. And then that beautiful thermal, I love it. I am going to be doing a set using these. that's going to be in another video because I wanted to keep this just kind of focused on showing you the products. And then yeah, I love that non-stick hand gel though. It's so nice. And then of course the super base. So yes, thank you so much, Born Pretty. I appreciate you sending these products. They're amazing. I absolutely love it. I'm going to leave everything linked down below. So yes, we'll see you next time in part 2. Bye.